Hello everyone. Welcome to Marking Up with HTML for Beginners. I'm Amit Kumar and this is tutorial 7, Comments and Entity References. So let's begin. Now what are entity references? In one of our previous tutorial, I have mentioned you that there are some special characters which directly we are unable to print on the web page, and for those characters we are having these entity references. For example, this less than, greater than, double quote, single quotes, ampersand. Now all these characters cannot be directly printed as they are part of the HTML syntax. So to print them, we can take help of character entity references. So what are character entity references? So these are some special characters, some codes with help of which we can print these special characters on our page. Now, according to HTML5, if we are following that certain character set on our page, so definitely all the modern web browsers will handle these symbols and we need not to use these entity references. But in case if the older browser is there, then definitely it won't be possible. Hence, we should include these character references for the safety. So these are the character references. For less than, it is ampersand, LT represent less than, and then a semicolon. All the character references will start with ampersand and end with a semicolon. So you can clearly see that. And within that, the code is actually very meaningful, like less than LT, greater than GT, quotation QUOT, apostrophe APOS, and ampersand AMP. You just need to see them once and you will remember them forever. The next topic to discuss is comments. Now, just like programming languages are having comments, similarly this markup language HTML is having comments, and these comments are ignored by the browser. So effectively making comments invisible to the user, right? So comments are not for the users. Comments are for the designers or for the programmers. The purpose is to include notes or anything about the logic or about the code that is not part of the code itself. So these are comments. So to write an HTML comment, all that we need to do is to wrap up things within angular bracket, exclamation, dash, dash, and dash, dash, angular bracket. So anything within this is definitely a comment. Some example, here you can see the paragraph. This is the normal paragraph and it will become a comment as soon as we will use these symbols. Now it's time to see the things practically. So let's see. So here is our workspace and let's open the editor. In the editor, we are already having this folder tutorial 7. And within this folder, I'm going to create a new file. If you remember the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-Shift-H, and here are the necessary codes. Now I'm going to give the title. So the title here is entity references, and we are going to show you few entity references as well. So in the body, I'm going to print the paragraph and I'm going to use few of them like less than and greater than. Let's use less than and greater than. So less than, and then we will print the symbol of less than with the help of entity references. So ampersand, LT, and semicolon. Similarly, we can print greater than as well. So GT, and this will be greater than. And let's print one more symbol, ampersand itself. So ampersand. So I'm just showing it as for reference. You can use it and you can check them out all. I'm saving this file in tutorial 7 folder and naming it as entity.html. Here you go. And let's see the output on the Chrome. So you can see these symbols over there. Now, as I told you, we are already following this character set. That means these symbols can be used directly. So with an OR, I'm directly using these symbols and it should print over there. So let's see that. In case your browser is of any older version, definitely it won't, otherwise it will print. So they both should print these symbols. So let's see, run, launch in Chrome, and clearly you can see nowadays we don't need to use these entity references, but whenever we are creating a web page, we are not sure that all our users are going to use modern web browsers. So hence it's better and it's safer to use these entity references for these symbols. Now one more thing, that is comment. So let's comment this last ampersand. Let's comment it out. So it should start with less than, exclamation, dash dash, and at the end I will write dash dash and exclamation. So clearly you can see only this part is now in green color, and when we will save the file and run it, let's see. So clearly the last line have turned into a comment and it will not be displayed on the web page. So that's it in this video tutorial. Hope to meet you in the next tutorial. Till then, thank you and happy programming.